Okay.
Heavy miss. Okay, sa atin na.
Just hold, just hold. Just fake, that's fake, that's fake, that's fake, that's fake, that's fake, that's fake.
Stuck on heavy mace, guys.
Yeah.
Oh
guys.
yeah, they're looking to the
Sa atin
reverse.
na, sa
They're
atin
looking
na.
to the reverse. They're looking to the reverse. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Eh.
They miss.
Come back, guys, come back.
They miss.
Just wait, guys. Just hold, just hold. Just hold. Okay, just hold, just hold, just hold.
Hello.
4 minutes dyan.
Chop out, go back. Your range, chop out, your range.
Yeah.
Let the Titans do their thing. Let the Titans do their thing. Hit this guy. Hit this guy. Hit this guy. Q dubs. Q dubs. Just Q dubs. Don't go. Okay, melee. Don't go up melee. Don't go up.
Yeah.
Wait.
Careful.
Just the range. Just the range.
Sam stuck on that heavy mace.
Yeah, I know.
This one.
I know for a fact they wanna turn back. I can see it. I can
Hit him,
smell
bro.
in
Hit
his
him, bro.
eyes.
Hit him, bro.
You see the skull? Run to us.
Yeah.
They will engage in us.
Hit him, bro. Hit him, bro. Okay.
Pia doon. Lipat ka dito.
Just hit this
Nice,
guy. Hit
thanks.
this guy. 60% gate. Okay, clap DPS. Ready on me. On the gate. Then 3, 2, 1. On the gate.
Go.
Nice. Walk in now. Everybody, walk it. Prepare dep. Okay. Pass. Dig. Dep. Okay, go. Walk in. CC them. Don't let them breathe. CC them. Walk in, guys. Walk in. Hit them. Put. Go. Drop in their thing. Oh, clap DPS. Engage. Everybody engage. They're dying. Okay. Oh, Termani. Catch them now. Kill all, guys. Kill all.
Someone come north with me. I've got a tank here.
Go. Follow. Come not. Oh, Sangkay.
I'm here on my ping.
Okay, follow.
Where's their healer?
They're dead, bro. Go.
On my
Kill
ping.
them.
Ping. Up top.
Come. On my side. There's this guy Gucci.
There's our left. Go.
Ping. Go ping.
Ping. Everyone, kill them.
Here. Bawa.
Kill that one.
Thank you.
Kepal.
What the fuck, Nanami?
Kill this healer.
Go.
Wala, 10 seconds mo.
Catch them.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh,
Mana?
the fuck, Melo.
They stupid. What they doing?
Oh, my shit. Palis
Nice.
Meron.
Clear.
I already did it.
Fuck. They stupid, bro.
Putang ina mo, ayaw mabot.
Ang inang healer
Huli.
yan. Patayin nyo.
Okay, we gonna loot the castle now.
Sabog ang ulo mo.
Bye.
They don't know what to do, bro. After the clap.
Okay, everyone, if you loot, you can keep the pots, food, okay? You can keep
Yeah.
the pot and food.
May namatay ba sa atin? Wala.
No.
Wala,
After one clap, they panic, bro.
Yeah. They panic.
Suffer for the main comp.
Those who did not click, everyone click, right? I'm gonna open the castle now.
Let's
I'm gonna open the
go.
castle.
Sabi na, easy fight. Ang bonus nila.
Tigala went in. They started running.
Nice guys. Nice one.
That tank thought he got away.
Isang ano pa lang.
Who is still chasing?
Isang pa lang, nagtatakbuhan na sila eh.
I need someone to help me loot this castle, bro.
Oh my god.
Dalawang
Yeah,
healer
man.
na patay ka dun ah.
Yeah.
I need someone to help me loot the castle. There's still one in left. Don. Can you help me, Don? Let Don. Mew. Let Don loot.
Clean up the bodies.
Boy, may ano pa, may outpost pa dun sa ano.
Grave.
May outpost pa sa ticket.
Yeah.
Iya.
Vortex bos.
Gila, Marco harus lihat itu tadi. Jegar.
Gue udah lihat tadi.
Sekarat semua. Load. Let me see the chest.